We would love to take you on a journey into the future. More people are getting interested in this unique perspective every day. Everything is possible in the future. This is more than just building your dream home. We are talking about developing the entire area together with your neighbors. From farmland to building land, and from plot land back to agriculture fields. It's a new concept about living and how to make a more sustainable world. Living in the future is totally unique and possible. We know this because it's already happening. It's called Oosterwold, the newest and the most daring neighborhood of Almere. In Oosterwold, living is something you do together, in a community with shared principles. For example, living on a field where the outsides are accessible to everyone due to public access areas, where you can enjoy a stroll. And everybody uses at least half of its property to grow food on. This is what we call urban agriculture. This is a new concept, but in fact it's an old way of living, because already in the Middle Ages food was grown within the city walls. This way you can always grow your own food. And if you take it even a step further, you can make a living out of growing your own food. You can find a self-harvest garden with a subscription model where you can harvest your own vegetables throughout the year. And a cooperative has been founded to help each other with sowing, cultivating and harvesting. An app made by this cooperative informs about what everybody is growing. These products will then be sold in a local supermarket. Locals for locals. When you combine urban agriculture with other business, like catering industries or recreation, more initiatives arise. Like a B&B with its own wine vineyard, a tea house which also provides special care, or a nursery only for organic plants. Moreover, we have an organic tree farmer that grows trees on borrowed land, local, sustainable and responsible. This way you create short supply chains that provides food into the entire area. Eventually, we would like to fill 10% of the food basket of Almere, because that is one of the main objectives of Oosterwold. We like to call it the biggest urban agriculture project of the globe. This is the most sustainable way of living.